This is the first tsua bird for birds too. Ye tsua ning ing. What bird do you see? Repeat the question after me. Ye tsua ning ing. All right. Chishu, I want you to say it again, each word by itself. Ye tsua ning ing. All right. Ye means what? Tsua means bird. Ning ing means you see. So all together, ye tsua ning ing means what bird do you see? Tutchone, I want you to listen to me say this 3 times. Thai shne I ni ing. Thai shne I ni ing. Thai shne ing ni ing. All right, so repeat the sentence after me now. Thai shne I ni ing. All right, shotan. Chishu, thai shne I ni ing. All right, listen to the tone in my voice. I'm going to say it again, and I want you to repeat the sentence after me again. Thai shne I ni ing. All right, so thai means golden eagle. Shunt. You guys might remember shunt from your traditional introductions. Shunt means me. And it's cool because this is shne is actually 2 words smushed together, because ne ing means that one sees, whereas ni ing means I see. So ne ing means that one sees. And when you smush that together with the word shun, the N is used for the ending of shun, but also the beginning of ne-ing. And so it's contracted together to make shne-ing. Repeat this word after me. Shne-ing. All right. Chishu, one more time. Shne-ing. Shoda, one more time. Shne-ing. Shotan. Let's do the whole sentence now. Repeating after me. Thai shne-ing ni-ing. Shotan. Remember that Danke Konje, Southern Tutchone, is a tonal language. So when you see this mark pointing upwards, that means your voice needs to go up. This little hook underneath any vowel is called a nasal, and that means your voice needs to go a little nasally on that vowel, kind of like that. And this mark here, which is an apostrophe in English, is a glottal stop in Southern Tutchone, which means the air coming through your lungs and everything stops briefly and then forces its way out. So, repeating the sentence one final time after me. Thai shne-ing ni-ing. Shotan. Ahon.